Sorry about that. Go that way.
I know. I got that whole thing on camera too.
This is Peak 6 at Breckenridge Ski Resort. And this is the Ken Show Super Chair.
What time is it?
10:53.
Nice.
The Ken Show chair takes you most of the way up Peak 6. However, after getting off the lift, you can hike up to the summit to access additional terrain.
Thank you.
Oh.
Another crappy day in Colorado.
Oh yeah.
You want to hike this?
Right now?
Maybe.
Yeah. So we can do it on this side though, not like way over.
Yeah.
Like that's pretty mellow. The further you get to there, it gets crazier, you know? And I think that's the craziest. Then we gotta do this one. Why don't we start on this and see how we feel?
All right. You guys ready for the bar? Also, it looks like a tough hike.
Yeah. I can do it. You want to get a little workout in?
Yeah, I mean, we're here. So it's hard to tell whether or not we can go up there or not. It says 6 cents is closed for event, but then it says summit hike open.
I think that corner's the only part closed where they got those nets set up.
Gotcha. So all this up here is open.
Yeah. It's just up there. Why don't we just go down though first?
Okay, all right.
But yeah, I think you see what he's saying? We just got to stay for that boundary, right?
No.
Look, there's people skiing on the other side.
True.
That's good.
Yeah, we're doing it this time. This is way more difficult than I thought it would be.
You sure you want to climb Everest?
Not in this shape.
You think this is hard? That looks good.
Yeah, it looks like the hike's gonna be worth it.
No, I mean her setup.
Oh yeah, that's freaking great.
Yeah, I feel like if we do that, we'll be too tired to do anything else today. So let's just go down.
Hey man, I'm doing it. All right, Danny, are you going?
Are you gonna make it all the way up there?
I'll go slow.
Probably not, honestly. I don't want to tire myself out.
All right.
That just looks tough.
I've never done any hike deep terrain. I'm from Atlanta. I figured I'm here. Definitely take a picture, bro. Don't look up. All right, I'm gonna get going again.
Woo! You go ahead.
I'm not gonna let the mountain defeat me.
Yeah. Don't. I thought my cardio was good.
Personal now. I'm gonna make it.
Woo! I was like, are you sure?
It's an experience we've not had before.
Proud of you for doing this.
Me too.
If you did something like this every day, you'd lose weight in a hurry.
I'm probably losing weight right now. Almost there.
We're not stopping now.
See you on top.
I wish I had a bag like that.
Yeah. It's tough with the bike.
Stay there. I'm gonna take a picture.
Right now?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Let these guys go past you. I'll come get you. I'll come get them for you. You all right? Yeah, we're good.
Please don't follow me. Whoa! Oh, I knew that. Alright, not that bad.
Sorry about that.
Let's try to go around.
You okay, Dan?
Yeah, I'm good. It's a footing issue.
You gotta
I might have to cut over left.
turn your board over so it's not sliding. You can dig the bindings in as extra leverage for that way.
I know. I'm trying to get across. Yeah! Hell yeah, dude. Summit.
Thought I was gonna wipe you both out for a second, like those videos. That's gotta be one of the hardest things I've ever done.
Yeah.
Check it off.
Cool. Josh,
This shit.
Everest is like a lot of that. That's not bad.
Alright, sick.
Oh, good save.
Yeah.
I was worried for a minute there, but you saved it.
Ready?
Yep.
Yo, that was awesome.